Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can charge and set shipping charges for specific products in WooCommerce. So maybe if you have free shipping added and you want to charge fee for shipping for a few products, then after watching this video, you will be able to remove free shipping and set the shipping charges for any specific products. So here you can see when I go to the checkout. Currently, the free shipping is added, but I want to charge the shipping for this digital camera product. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard and here go to the products. So here we will have to go to the product to which we want to add shipping charges. We will go to digital camera and here we will scroll. You can open this, go to shipping, and here we need to add a shipping class. So as you can see, currently no shipping class is added. So let's go to WooCommerce setting and open it in new tab, and here just go to the shipping and here go to classes, scroll down, and here you see shipping class. You need to add a shipping class, click on add shipping class, and here you need to write any name for the shipping class. So I can write heavy and description for heavy products. Click on create and it's created. Now we need to go to the shipping zones and here we need to add the class to the zone to which we want to charge the shipping rates for. So I have only one shipping zone that is for the whole world. If you have different zones for different countries, then you can add the class to the specific zone to which you want to charge extra shipping. So just click on edit. So here you can see free shipping is added. I will click on add shipping method and I will click on flat rate, click on continue, and here you can see the cost. You don't need to enter the cost over here. You can just enter the cost in the heavy shipping cost. So maybe let's charge $10. For the rest we can keep it 0, so the free shipping is enabled to the other products, and for heavy we have entered 10. So let's click on create and it's saved automatically. So now let's go to the product again and here under shipping, so just refresh so that the shipping class will appear here. So just go to shipping and select the heavy class over here, and here you can also write the delivery time and delivery text if you want. Just click on update and here go to checkout and click on refresh. So here you can see both of them are showing. So if you want to remove the free shipping, then you need to remove this thing. Both can be kept when you have like free shipping that is taking more time and fast shipping that is having a flat rate. So if you want to remove the free shipping, you can just remove it, because here we have already added the $0. So the classes with heavy will be charged shipping and the rest of them will be 0. So just click on delete, or you can maybe set it like economic shipping and here you can fast shipping or something like that. So just click on and go to checkout again and click on refresh, and here you can see now only one is showing. If you need any help with WordPress, Shopify or WooCommerce, you can contact me. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.